everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iqrah and I'm going to show you how to get a custom YouTube URL. Now what exactly is a custom YouTube URL? So right now on my channel page, and if you look at the URL, it identifies me with a bunch of random letters and numbers, but I don't want that. I want it to be customized to my channel name, which is Iqrah. Currently, if I go to youtube.com/iqrah, it says that the page isn't available, but that's gonna change once we get on with this video. So, to actually get a custom URL, there are a few criteria that need to be fulfilled before you can actually get one. They are as follows. Have 100 or more subscribers, your account needs to be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, have uploaded channel art. First off, the most important and hardest to get out of all the requirements is 100 or more subs. So if you don't have 100 subs, you're not eligible to get a custom URL at the moment. I hit 100 subs a few days back on 25th September 2019. Super proud of it. I made an unnecessarily overly excited video about it. If you haven't watched that, maybe watch it. I don't know. The second one is your account needs to be at least 30 days old. Mine is definitely more than 30 days old. The way you check how old your account is or when it was created is by going to the About tab under Stats. They tell you when you joined. Mine was 2012, is obviously way more than 30 days. Have an uploaded photo as a channel icon by going to your YouTube page. Once you hover over your circle, you might have nothing over here, or you might have already uploaded one. That you click on this and it says edit profile picture. You click on that, you click on edit. If I select that and then you put done, ta-da! Yay! So that's how you change or upload your profile picture. Coming back to channel art, you go to your YouTube channel, click on Customize Channel, then click on this Edit button, Edit Channel Art. You select a photo from your computer. It also gives you a little link to show you the guidelines. The minimum dimensions for upload is 2048 into 1152 and the maximum width is this. Another tip that I can give you is once you upload your channel art, you can go to developer tools and check the responsiveness on different platforms for your channel banner art. So once you have your 100 subs, channel icon and channel art, we can actually set up your custom YouTube URL. So you go to your YouTube Studio Beta, under other features, you go to status and features, and here you'll be able to see the different features and the status on it. We're interested on the custom URL feature. We want to enable it by clicking claim it here. You again click on claim it here. Now one thing that you have to see is Iqrah, which matches your name. If you don't want that, you can go edit it first. Another option is you can add a suffix, so you would have Iqrah plus whatever you want, and it should have a tick if it's available, but I just want Iqrah, so I'm gonna go forward with this. You need to click on I have read and agreed. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Change URL, confirm choice. Now it's gonna take a little while to actually configure the changes. So now if you just go to youtube.com, Iqrah. Yay! Oh my god! It's done, it's done, it's done, it's done. So if I pull up an incognito browser and go to youtube.com/Iqrah. Oh my god! Yay! It's done, it's done, it's done. That's so cool! Woo! So that's how you get a custom YouTube URL. Hope it was easy to follow. You can always change your URL to something else, but the first thing to do would be to change your username and then release the URL that you possess and then claim it back again. If you want, check out my 100 subs video. You could also check out my DIY 100 subs play button video. That's all. Okay, bye!